Okay, we've let this set up. Now I've sanded this down some, so we want to put our sides on, but we want to get this, our back piece first. So we're going to line this up where it goes. Make sure you get your right side and that it fits okay. So we're going to glue this into here because this is the back piece that you can take off if you have to make any kind of repairs. So we want to get this glued in. Want to get that lined up where it goes, and I'm going to put a couple staples in it to hold it so when we clamp it, it's not going to slide on us. So that's going to hold that in place. So we can do the other side. Turn this over, slide this in where it goes. You may have to sand it down some. So we'll stick this piece on, make sure it fits okay, which it does. So we'll glue this piece on. And then I'll let this sit and set up real good. Goes. Okay. So now we got our back piece, and this is the piece that you can take on and off if you ever have to get inside to do anything. You always want to make sure you got access. If you seal it up, then you can't get into it if you have to. So now we got that, we'll clamp it. This way it's not going to slide since we put those small nails in there. It's not going to slide on us, so we can clamp it down and set it aside and let it dry. So the next thing we want to do is we got our sides, and we've sanded this down here, beveled it down, you can see. So we want to make sure this is going to fit because we sanded this down. Mark this here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand this part off because it's easier to do it before you glue it on there. And we'll do the same to the other side. That's the wrong one. That's the wrong head. Goes there. This is the right one. Okay, like I say, we got this beveled. So we're going to sit this on here and see what we got. If we have to sand it. Which we don't. Okay, that side's alright. Okay, we're going to have to sand this part down on this side. I'm going to sand this down so we get a better fit before we glue it down. That's good. And the back of this part here we want to sand down a little bit. And then what what we'll do is glue this on, let it set real well, and then we're ready to move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.